Hey guys, so I'm gonna do this real quick. If you know me, you know I love this group called B.A.P. It's late right now. I gotta get to bed soon because I got work in the morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this real quick. B.A.P. recently came out with a new video called Hurricane, and I'm gonna do a quick reaction to it. I don't know how to put the actual video itself on my video. So if you know how, comment below, and then comment below some instructions for me, and I would definitely really appreciate it. Alright, so here's B.A.P. Hurricane for me. Oh, they all gold and blinged up. Oh, nice. This is different. Men in white, not men in black. Jungkook still got his red hair. He's all b-boy now. In Cham seems like he's singing since coffee shop and not rapping no more. Ooh! Wow! I get an 80s kind of feeling from this, from Young Jay. Sounds like he's in the loop. Did he just say what I think he said? Zero hairs look funny. He looks like he's got his debut hair, but it's not blonde. But yeah, I love his gold outfits. They're so sick. Dope. I'm not sure about Zalo's going outfit where he looks like Snoopy from Charlie Brown. This looks like it's New Orleans or something. I'll break it down. Dope. And how much you get dance like this? I own high school. This was awesome. If I could dance like this. I'm so hungry. Oh, fucking hungry. I cannot sing. I'm gonna get lessons. I'm not gonna lie. I can rap, not sing. Yeah. Alright, well. They actually did quite a different sound before. Normally they're so hardcore b-boys, I don't really want to say gangsters really, because it's more because Bang Young, we know him, he's smashes everything in his sight, but the last video, Coffee Shop, and now this, it's a really uplifting sound. So I like this new uplifting version of them, even their song Stop It or Hajima, I looked up the English translation, they made it sound so upbeat and everything, but it was still their voices, and they're it said Hajima, Hajima, don't cry no more, It's all fake tears, blah blah, and all that stuff. So, yeah, I like it. Check out B.A.P Hurricane.